Okay, so first things first. Before we get into the weeds, we need to have a really clear idea of what we're even talking about. What is rat hole mining?
You know, the name rat hole is, well, it's disturbingly accurate. This isn't some high-tech operation. It's a completely unscientific method with pretty much zero engineering or safety protocols. We're talking about miners, sometimes even children, literally having to crawl through these tiny tunnels they've dug by hand just to get to the coal.
Now, you might think this is happening all over, but it's not a global thing. This practice is almost exclusively concentrated in one specific corner of the world, the state of Meghalaya in northeast India. It's a region that has a lot of coal, but it's also incredibly difficult to get to.
Okay, so we know what it is, but how does it actually work? How do they get the coal out of these tunnels? Well, there are two main methods, and believe me, each one is dangerous in its own way. On one hand, you've got what's called the side-cutting method. This is pretty straightforward. They just cut horizontal tunnels straight into the side of a hill to reach the coal. And on the other hand, there's the box-cutting method, which is what we saw in that first picture. For that one, they dig a deep vertical shaft straight down, and then from the bottom, they start digging these little horizontal tunnels, branching out like spokes on a wheel.
And here, this picture gives you a really stark visual of that side-cutting method. Just look at all those dark holes dotting the hillside. Each one of those is a hand-dug tunnel, a really, really dangerous path to a little bit of coal.